Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube thumbnail using Canva on your mobile app. So let's jump right straight into this video. So we're going to launch the Canva app. So the easiest way for you to design a sweet, beautiful, and fine flyer is to use a template. So we're going to click on X. This is just an alert. Okay. So make sure you log into your Canva app. So next you search for templates, okay? So you click on the search templates. Just look for the search bar and search. So we're gonna write YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then you click on search. So you can choose any of these ones you want to use. Okay, let's take this one, social impact. Okay, this is a paid version. You can see the crown at the bottom right. So if you know you're using the free plan, avoid those ones with a gold crown at the bottom right. Okay, so you can go for any of these ones without. Okay, you can even go for this one. Okay, so let's use this one. Let's use this one. Okay, so we want to design something simple. The title is. So want to design something simple. The title is how to start your YouTube journey as a content creator. So I'm going to delete some of these stuffs here. So you select, then you delete. Sometimes if you select the wrong thing, you click outside the design box, then select on it again. Then you click on the delete. Okay. So you click on you can leave the plus. So I'm going to edit this one. So we're going to call this starting your YouTube journey. Okay. Okay. Let's delete starting your YouTube journey. Starting your YouTube. So we're gonna edit the everyday. Starting your YouTube journey. Starting your YouTube journey. Okay. Okay, starting your YouTube journey. Okay, we could add the as a content creator. Let's do it as a content creator. As a content creator. All right. So you can move that a bit. Let's move this one here. You could even make it smaller if you want. Make it bigger a bit. Okay, so starting your YouTube journey as a content creator. So basically, this is how we design most of our flyers. This is how we design most of our YouTube thumbnail. Then we're going to delete this one and add our own picture or my own picture. So you could use this one if you want, or you could use yours. Okay, so I'm going to show you a photo I took today somewhere. So let's delete this one first. Okay, so see this photo. Yeah, so I took this picture. Okay, so already I used a plain background. Nothing too fancy. Okay, so I'm going to remove the background of this and we're going to work on it. So you launch your Chrome. So you could simply search background remover on Google. Background remover. So we're going to use remove.bg. This is the website to remove background. So it has a free version also. Next, once you're here, don't forget the website is remove.bg. Next, you click on upload image. Next, you click on photo library. Then we'll select this one. Okay, then we'll click on done. So you can see the transformation is going to happen now. So currently the photo is, or the picture is being uploaded to the platform. Okay. All right. So we've got it right. The background is out. Next, you click on download. So you click on the free. Then you click on save image. So the image without a background has been saved. So you can go to your photos and find it. So this is it. Okay. So next we're going to upload this to Canva. So we're going to open Canva. All right. Next you click on upload. Next you click on upload files. Next you click on device. Next you click on photo library. Next you select the one you just removed the background and you click on add. So you see how easy it is. Then you click on the photo that has been uploaded successfully. Okay. So you expand it. So you see how easy it is. Then if you want to even remove the hand, you can just drag this one here. So it's just me smiling. Yeah. Okay, you can align it properly. So you see how easy it is. Okay, now if you want to make all this bigger, click somewhere around. You could also make this bigger. Then you move it. It says start your. Okay. We'll make it bigger again. Start your. Bring it down a bit. Start your YouTube. Increase the journey. Okay. Start your YouTube journey. Then let's move that to the center. So don't forget, whenever you click something wrongly, click anywhere outside the space you're working. Okay. So click. Okay. It's selected rightly. So we're going to move it to the center. Select the image, then drag it close enough. Okay. So start your YouTube journey as a content creator. You see how beautiful this design is? Simple and beautiful. You can even make the YouTube red if you want. You could change the background if that's what you want. Okay. So let's say we want to make it red since we're making a content about YouTube. So you see it's red. Then let's say the background, we want to change the color. So you select the background, then you click on color, click on red. So you see different options that you can use. Or you could just, if you want to undo, you click on the back arrow at the top left. So let's leave it like this. This is beautiful. Start your YouTube journey as a content creator. Okay, starting your YouTube journey as a content creator. So once you're done with this, you save. You click on the download button. And that's it. So it's downloading. Very, very easy. Then you could click on save image. For some devices, it's going to save automatically. So let's go to our photo and we're going to check it out. So you can see starting your YouTube journey as a content creator. So I told you guys the easiest way to do designs on Canva is to use templates. So we made another video about how to design a flyer or a graphic design. Okay, social media posts, let's say Instagram posts. We're going to add the link to that video in the description section. So make sure you visit the description section to access more information, and bye for now.